or sometime due to clarification of some specification in the project where we have to wait for modification or side instruction or omission or addition, that also waste. If you calculate that, we can say there is again 10 to 15% waste. We have in our conversion way maybe 15% in the cost added due to the transport, because everything we have to transport from the market or workshop or factory or subcontract to the site. And we calculate roughly in average minimum 10 to 15% there is cost added in any project for the transport, which don't need in the new system. We don't need it. There will be one-time transport. Now, to supply the concrete to the site, you have to use very high costly machine. Track mixer costing 70,000 dinar. Concrete bomb costs 150,000, 200,000 dinar. To supply the block to the site, this track with the crane to unload the block, this costs 70,000 dinar. Definitely the supplier, he will add part of depreciation cost of this machine to each product is supplied to the site. So why we cannot save that one, since there is way or possible system, we can save us this much cost. Now, we come to the main saving factor, that the labor strength. Now, example, if there is a project, any type of project, need 100 people for 1 year to construct this project. In our new system, same project with better quality, you can do it with only 10 people, not in 1 year, 10 people in 1 month. So there's saving in time, 90%, and there is saving in labor around 90%, because here the machine replaces the labor. And total average, you can say 30 to 40% we can save in cost of the project, plus we can save 70% in time, because we're going to manufacture prior to erection in the factory, and maybe this is ready. Especially this project can be very good in housing, because it will be same design, and it will be what you call it mass production. We can produce all type of footing prior to of erection, all the beams, all the slab, all the walls, and keep it ready. And only in the side where we have to make just leveling, backfilling or excavation, compaction, setting out, and then come and erect the part of these houses. There is job, very little job, 5 maybe to 10% of the work to be carried out on the side, where we can joint the wall or joint all the part of these houses or this building with a very technical, high quality way of connection, the part of the houses on the project itself. Yes, this project being registered as patent by my name, because I'm who create this system due to 30 years experience in this line, targeting how to achieve the minimum cost, better quality, less time. Yes, now being manufactured in Germany by one of very big German company involved in design and manufacture the construction equipment. Yeah, now we are going to receive this all the part this machine of this factory maybe within 3 or 4 months from now. It's going to be erected. Inshallah, by end of this year, we will be starting, or we will be able to start manufacture. Not only this factory, this factory cannot work itself or alone, but the other setup I have, or other facility we have in our group, is going to work together. Means I have the block factory already, who can feed this factory. I have the ready mix, which can feed also. I have the aluminum and glass, which can feed, as well joinery. All this will be in one place. Means I save the transport and overhead of all these companies. Means if I'm going to deal with subcontract, like now we have some contractor, they are construction company, but they are importing or buying or appointing subcontract for different work. Supplier of ready mix, supplier of block, supplier of aluminum, supplier of joinery work, supplier of material. Definitely that supplier, he have his own overhead, and he have also his profit, which he going to add to his price. And the main contractor going to take this price and add also his profit and his overhead. And all this reflect to the customer or the cost of the house. So since there is facility or there is technology or there is experience and know-how, which can give us the best quality, minimum time, minimum cost, why we not go for it? That's the question. Yes, we hope that already I approached 4 or 5 years before the Ministry of Housing that we are interested, or we are ready to cooperate with them in developing these houses, but in our system, not in their system, which is costing too much. And like Ministry of Housing, they used to appoint consultant, very big consultant for small houses, which is extra overhead. Procedure also costing too much. But in our case, yes, there is laboratories which they can check. They have their own supervision. They can check on the project to control the quality, to make sure design and quality is according to the specification required. Then it will be cheaper, definitely. We do it. We have so many projects now, almost since 96 till now, long period. Still the houses as it is. I'm not talking about myself that I have good, but yeah, my target was quality. My target, it is the best quality.